Hi everyone, my name is Sharon. Today I'll show you how to apply for a e-visa for Indian passport holders, the step-by-step process, how to fill the form, the documents you need, then the official portals, and some tips to avoid mistakes. So let's go to the video. So Morocco introduced e-visa system for Indian passport holders. The official website is, I will put it on the description box. So we have an express visa system that is 24 working hours, and if it's a standard, it's 72 working hours. But can vary, so always check the portal before you apply. So for the visa, I paid online £65 because I live in UK. If it's converted to INR, it's 7,500 Indian rupees. That's the cost for the visa. Before you start applying, you should have a valid passport, which is 6 months validity from the date of entry. Also, there you need a passport size picture with a white background. Other two things are you should have a valid email address so that they can send you the email and also the visa. Then the credit or debit card for the fees. Now let's see how to fill the form step by step. So let's go to the official portal website of Morocco and make sure you don't go to any third-party websites where you have to pay more money. So you apply for the e-visa, then you have to give your email address and they will send you an email. So you go back to your email and you have to click the link. So here is the link. So you just click there. So it will redirect you back to the portal. Then you have the eligibility, like you have to put the nationality, then just the basic informations. So I live in UK, so I just put UK. If you are somebody from India or any other country, just put those countries. Then your date of birth, your normal passport, if it's an ordinary, I have an ordinary passport. Purpose of your trip, tourist or business or whatever. Then you have another valid visa. So I have an Ireland visa, so I'm going to put Ireland visa there. If you don't have anything, then just don't put anything and click next. This is the travel conditions where you have to read all the travel conditions and you have to tick the box. Take your time and just read through it. And a hotel reservation, a return ticket. You don't have to upload anything, but they might ask you in the Moroccan border. This is the personal information, so you just put your name, place of birth, email, your mobile, and just the basic informations and all your passport details. On the occupation or the job, so if you couldn't find your occupation there, you can just put salaried. So I couldn't find mine, so I was just looking through the other options and I found salaried, which is okay. These are the further informations of your travel, your expected date to arrive in Morocco, and the date to leave in Morocco from Morocco. So you have 30 days to stay in Morocco. This is the attachment bits. So here you have to upload your, of course, your passport and also a passport size photograph with a white background. So you upload your photo and your passport. So like I said, a single entry visa for 30 days maximum. So this is the part where you can go back to your answers and you can modify. You confirm your request. Then this is the proceed to payment. So we have a standard and an express. So I'm going to standard. So you just give all the card details and you pay. And you will also get the payment declaration receipt. And yeah, we're mostly done. So you can go back and you will see the payment of your request has been made. Your application is under process, and that's it. For me, I got my visa in 2 working days. Always make sure your passport has a 6 months validity from the time of entry, and the photograph should be a high quality photograph with no glares. Then if your application is incomplete, it may get rejected. So please make sure you fill everything and also upload everything what they want. So please do not make any spelling mistakes in your name. So that can affect your visa when you arrive in Morocco. If you're stuck, contact the support link on the official portal, or you can contact the nearby Moroccan consulate. Please make sure that you go to the official portal website and please beware of the unofficial site. Before you pay, check the fees carefully. And that's it. Easy steps to apply for your Moroccan e-visa. If you find this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments. I will reply. Safe travels. Morocco waits.